Hello, my name is Ben and I am not a great gamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice, where I just, as I was saying this, realized why our name moved. It's because now we are contiguous around here. That's what happened. Now it's going to be towards the middle of the whole... So before, our name was right in the middle here, and our name was over here. But now our name is just trying to be in the middle of the one big blob that we are. It's a really big and weird shaped blob, I'll be honest. And it's nowhere near, evidently, 40% of the galaxy, which, so we don't win the game. So what? We can steal some other people's stuff. Anyway, this is Stellaris, and in our last episode, actually after our last episode, I noticed where our fleet here was, and I decided to replace this observatory with some crew quarters, and then we'll level it up. That way, we will not have to pay as much maintenance on this fleet, which is going to become very, very, very important as, well, one of these days, our president's going to die. He keeps coming back, and he keeps saving us a lot of money, but he's going to die soon. Which reminds me, let's take a look at planets. I think we're going to have to start charging a bit more. Oh, Paros sector. You need some help. Yeah, he needs help. Unfortunately, we're not going to actually get that much more out of these guys. Like, if I increase the sector contribution, I'm only getting, like, 3 more. Where was it? Was it 15? Now it's at 22. Oh, it's still not that much. So we're getting 89 gold, or ducats, whatever, per turn. Per month. Gold per turn, wow. I know how to play this game, I promise. And that number will go down, unfortunately. But we can play with Betharian power plants. That's always nice. Actually, I wish I could allow our sectors to build Betharian power plants, because I can only build so many. Actually, that's not entirely true. It's not entirely true. I have 2 more Betharian stone. Where can I do that? Verona, is that you? Yeah, it should probably be Murano. We're going to replace that. Betharian power plant. If I ever give away Murano, I'll give it away to a place... Oh, don't do that. I'll give it away to somebody who has a lot of... There we go. Betharian stone, because I think a couple of my sectors have it. Actually, let's be honest, it's Zara. Zara has it. So, yeah. Yeah, Zara's about to have even more. So if I give it to Zara, because they have plenty and they're going to have even more, they will be able to maintain. That's, yeah, they'll be able to maintain. Same with Joldarun. My Lepanto. Why don't you build? Replace. Betharian power plant. Excellent. Might as well make use of this stuff, right? And there's some other stuff too, like Zero. I don't even know what to do with half of these things. Zero, Pethrin Dust, Granthium Ore. Alien Pets I know what to do with, but I actually need the tech for that. I don't have the Xenozutech yet. So we're preparing for a volley of wars with, I think, everybody. I think I'm going to actually go to war with literally everybody on the map who isn't a Fallen Empire at the same time. I think it's going to be fun. We might as well do it, right? Let's wander on over to Iblaranda. Get all of our boats. All of them. Get them over here. What is this? Subject integration begun. Oh, that's fine. Oh yeah, the Salish peoples. Yep. Sounds about right. Oh, the Teutons. Oh, it's already that time. It's going to be 4 years before we can go to war. We might go to war at the beginning of the next episode if I can just let time go. We're gonna have advanced combat roles soon. I think I'm gonna just start upgrading my boats like a year before the war or something. Just take everything, like for instance, I have not upgraded the two impulse thrusters yet, and we'll have to do that. Don't need that. Okay, cool. Ah, construction ship. Construction ship. Why are you so lazy? Why are you lazy? Build mining station. Build mining stations. Go. Let's see here, Verona. How many more of these power plants can we replace? What was that? Verona? Do as I say. There we go. Yeah. Things are getting busted complete. Up. It happens. Nafplio, what are you doing? Actually, where is this? Down there? Oh, that's a good spot for it. Okay. You. Why don't you... Oh, fine. Level 4 spaceport. Okay. Yeah, let's make sure that we're upgrading our spaceports in time. Like this area over here would be a great place to have a bunch of construction going on. Negro Ponte. Level 4 spaceport. I really wish there were a different system, but I've already said it enough times, I don't need to say it anymore. But I really do wish there was another system for this. That's not what I want. Alright, that Nafplio, because there's multiple Nafplios. Oh, and, hang on. Colony ship. I almost forgot. Come colonize this planet. That's perfect. Right there. Excellent, excellent, excellent. And then we'll get rid of the frontier outpost. It'll be great. Venice, what are you building? Venezia, what do you got?
Research complete.
Still building lightning destroyers. Okay. Oh, 2 research is complete. Advanced combat roles, which is going to be very good. We don't want to do... Yeah, it's going to take a long time. And it's repeatable. We don't really want that. Guardian point defense is pretty good, actually. Ooh, so is neutron torpedoes. Hyper shields, not bad. So that's 70 months. Okay, okay. 67. Ugh. How long is this, just out of curiosity? No, we're not going to go repeatable. Okay, so that's the question. Do we want... We could go more money, actually. It would be relatively less time. And we're gonna have some money problems. Let's do it. 36 months. Let's go. Ooh, ship upgrade cost. That is gonna take hardly any time at all. Oh, interesting. I don't think that's repeatable. I don't think so. Could go hydroponics farm 3. Not today. Not today. Alright. What do you got? Descano. Okay, you know what, Descano? We may have to start disbanding. We have to start disbanding ships. Wish I could just give them to my sectors, but can't do that. There we go. That'll keep it busy for a little while.
Construction complete.
I cannot wait to get rid of this. My Lepanto has finished its surface construction cube. Good. Good, good, good. What else we got? Ah, yes. Now we just start upgrading the Betharian power plants.
Colony established.
Oh good, right. Colony established. And that means... Oh no, where's that? I don't even know where that was. Ragusa in the something system? Oh right, because I had an extra colony ship just sitting around. I had to stick it somewhere. So that's what he said. I had to stick it somewhere.
Construction complete.
Unemployment. Oh. Oh, that's right. I'm actually in charge of this business, aren't I? Okay, let's queue up a whole lot of stuff. For instance, let's get some more food, because we can. Hydroponics farm 1. You. Give me... Hang on. Energy credits plus 15%. Oh. You. Give me... I was gonna say power plant 1. Give me some more Betharian stone. Yeah, Betharian power plant, baby. And then... Yeah, let's do it again. No, let's just do power plant. Power plant 1. Let's get us some physics. Basic science lab. Build. Power plant 1. Build science lab. Oh yeah, not FunCon folks. You're gonna be so happy. Okay. Get you another power plant, science lab. Okay. Is everybody building something? Probably. Planetary capital. And I think that's the best we can do on there. And then it'll come and tell us to, come and bug us about like, oh yeah, you can you do other things now. Or, our construction is complete, but yeah, we'll deal with that when we get there. Excellent. Oh, wow. Additional research stations have been constructed. I didn't realize that. Oh, wow. We
complete.
probably need to get rid of some influence here in a little bit. Oh, that's right. We're gaining 8 again. Because we
Construction complete.
got rid of our vassal. We're finished annexing them. So, good times. Good times.
Construction
Come on,
complete.
Come on, get there. Come on.
Ships
Come on.
upgraded.
Come on.
Construction complete.
Okay. Ibloranda, how you doing? Let's merge up your fleets. See what we got. We have 34k fleet. That's not bad. It's not amazing. Well, not compared to, Don't forget that we have Fallen Empire, right outside of our borders, but...
Construction
Yeah.
complete.
Oh, wow. 922. influence. Okay. What are we gonna do about that? Fleet power is still superior. I think they're gonna have two 40 stacks, but I'm not sure. Okay, what do we want to do then? Hey, Veneto. Venezia, I know you're cool. Why don't you be cooler? Planet summary, edicts lists. Why don't you get some capacity overload? You're already giving us 87 energy credits. Might as well give us more. There we go. Not that we, turns out, wow, we're still making plenty of money. Okay. Making 778 minerals per turn, or per month. Oof. I think I'm gonna start queuing up a few more things. Murano. Spaceport. Give me some cruisers, baby. Lightning guns. And then Castan. Hey you. How's it going? Cruiser factory. Don't give me cruisers though. I want a couple more battleships. I want a couple of heavy hitters. Except that they take forever. So up there, just the one, just the one. Look, this place. Oh. This place is not performing the way I want it to. Where's my other big place where I can build, oh, can't build battleship. Can't build battleships there. Nope. Huh. Door? Yeah, I called it harbor. There we go. Give me a lightning cannon. There we go. And there we go. And we're nearly out of minerals. I wonder if there's a place that has a lot of unhappy folks, like Beskel. How's Beskel or Aurra doing? People happy? Are people happy? People are actually doing okay. Where are you leaving? You're going to Outer Lido. Okay, that's fine. You should be happy. Why are you happy? Oh, xenophilia. Yeah, that'll do it. But your ethics divergence is nuts. I've pretty much just given up on ethics divergence. I just, like, it's gonna happen. And there's nothing I can do about it. And I am kind of okay with that. What's your problem? Well, you're a xenophobe. So, never mind. Yeah, I don't know what to do with some of these places. I'm thinking in terms specifically of my influence, the amount of influence that I have. I have a ton of influence. What should I be doing with it, though? I don't know. Toledo. See, the thing is, they still have negative ethics divergence, even with the re-education campaigns. I don't know, Morano, what can you do for me? Oh, hey, no fun gun. Hey, how about if we do infrastructure projects? Oh, sweet. Building cost. Well, I kind of screwed that up. So what we got to do now is cancel basically everything. Cancel, yes. Cancel, yes. Cancel, yes. Going to cancel. Actually, yeah, we're going to cancel nearly everything. Not quite everything. That thing's almost done building. And then we'll requeue everything. There we go. And then we have to redo everything. Build basic science lab. Basic science lab. Give me power plant. Where are you? Power plant. You give me power plant. Thank you. Science lab. Power plant. Science lab. Science lab. Power plant. Actually, no, not that. Cancel. Let's do this instead. We're gonna get enough money out of here. Let's do a power hub. Oh yeah, baby. And that takes just a little bit of our influence. And that's nice. That's nice. Okay. What are we gonna do with all this influence? Who just got settled? I know what to do. Oh, it's not actually completed yet. I know who did, though. This spot right over here. No, not there. This one. Verona. Edicts list. Farming subsidies. And infrastructure projects. There we go. So they'll be able to build a whole bunch of new stuff, and they'll have a whole lot more food. Yeah. What other places could kind of use that? Let me check out By Dawn. La Punta with the penguins. Oh wow. Well, you don't need any more food, that's for sure. Edicts list. Infrastructure projects. Yeah, you could use that. And we have too much money. It's a good thing we did capacity overload on our capital, right? And Crossroads is already at max on money. Yep. I wonder if I can use money to get my way in the galaxy somehow.
Construction
That's
complete.
what usually works, isn't it? Spaceport of Venezia. What was your construction queue all about? And can I add more? Let's go a couple more disruptor cruisers. There we go. And you guys come down to the front. Not you. Alright.
Construction complete.
Now, when do we become president? 2332. Okay, it's still a few years left. I wonder how long before I pick this up. I may never actually get it, but it would be kind of funny.
Construction complete.
You know, this game is good. I'm really enjoying it, but it's really hard to make the middle quite interesting. In fact, the annoying part is, we're not yet to the point where we can go after these guys. We're just not. But I kind of wish we were, so we can make it really interesting. Because the next thing we gotta do, we gotta go to war with pretty much everybody in the galaxy, which is gonna be kind of fun. We're gonna be able to go pretty much everywhere. It's gonna be nice. Offer trade deal. Nope. Must be the migration access. There we go. What if I just pay you money? Do you want money? Yes, you do. Though you have only so much value for it. Okay, fine. Minerals. Give me monthly transfer. Yeah, shut up. There we go. Okay, migration access, go. Good stuff. That was instant. Construction ship. You know something? Go home. One less thing for me to worry about. Cannot wait to just beat the crap out of the Korean Directorate. Yep, they're pathetic. Their technology level is equivalent though, which means that we can probably get technologies off of them that we don't already have. Like, get a lot of progress on technologies that we don't already have. Are you kidding me? Energy storage is full again. I may just have to go with it. Let's top them all off at 5,000. He's already at 5,000. Dear sectors, have money. Watch in the next couple of years. I'm like begging for more money. No, give me my money back. I need my money. Yeah. That's the way that goes. Great White North Sector. How you doing? I think I can tax you a little bit more. Boink. Yeah, I think you're fine. I think you'll be fine. They're pretty much fully developed as it is anyway, so, right? Let me actually make sure of that before I start stealing all their money. Oh, they're upgrading things. Yeah, they appear to be fine. Judeca. Well, people are leaving, but that's okay. Going to Zara. Which Zara? No idea. Yeah, I should have had more names. I didn't realize I was going to be colonizing like 60 different, well, not even 60, like 150 or so total worlds over the course of this game. Yeah, build mining stations. Actually, no. Build mining stations. Build mining stations. Build mining stations. We haven't even played with Beetlejuice. Like, you gotta play with Beetlejuice, right? It's like necessary. Ooh, got some more lightning guns. Nice.
Construction complete.
Spaceport of Toledo. Nice. What do you got? Why don't you build me? You know what, why don't you upgrade? Give me a full-on level 6 upgrade. And give me some cruisers. And give me some crew quarters. How's the surface doing? Probably don't need an observatory. That's okay though. Okay.
Research complete.
And research complete. Ship upgrade cost minus 15%. That's gonna be good. That's gonna be good. Core sector planets +1. That's a repeatable. We may go for it though, just cause. I don't know. I think it's because it's gonna be relatively short. That's not even that short. Ugh. We don't need any more naval capacity. We're already capped at naval capacity, actually. The only reason we're building more spaceports is for the very simple fact that I want to be able to build ships quickly. I want to build a lot of ships very quickly. I'm tempted to do this. 23 months to unlock Form Federation just to get it out of my queue. But maybe not. Now let's do it. It's just as useful as everything else. But I think we will deal with the consequences of that in another episode. At this point, we are 2 years out. Almost exactly 2 years out from being in charge of this place. At which point, the Koreans, the Finns, the Aztecs, well, pretty much, actually, we're also going to go after the Hansa and the Habsburgs. It's going to be ugly, actually. We are going to do a number on the rest of the galaxy. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun, but it's going to be fun in another episode. Until then, I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well, and I do look forward to seeing you next time.